Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome video. Today I'm showing you guys my mock-up here of my Northwest Airlines. So we're back to like the 1990s here with Northwest Airlines. 80s, 90s here. Yeah, it'd be the 90s, because I was born in 1996, so probably around then. I was on Northwest Airlines a lot, and the bowling shoe liveries. I actually flew on the DC-10s and the 747s to Hawaii. As my family and I would go probably every year or other year, so I remember just being on many of these. I remember, a really good memory of mine actually, is we were in Honolulu, and we were leaving to go to Minneapolis, and I was like, probably 6 years old, but I still remember this, believe it or not. We were flying, and I remember that I asked the gate agent, "Mom, what plane are we on?" And the gauge agent said 747, and I was like, whoa, and my eyes lit up, guys, and it was just so cool. But yeah, we have our mock-up here, the G gates here. I do have the G gates that go all the way down to the end there, but just for this demonstration here, we're just going to show the Northwest Airlines planes in this part of the G section. So we have like G2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. But anyways, here we go, guys. As you guys can see, we have a Northwest A320 here at the gate. I'm unsure if Sky Chefs have been around for that long, but you know what, just for the purpose of the video, we're doing the Sky Chefs here. This aircraft is getting loaded up for its flight down to Atlanta. You can see the Tiny Tug Designs baggage carts in action here, doing their job. The Jet Set Models ground crew workers here doing an amazing job. Tarmac Designs, jet bridges, and terminal here. All in the works here, guys. Some fantasy wings, but luggage carts and lights. Coming over here, we have some carts coming out under the roadway here. I don't know where this guy went, but it's parked there. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to add the second jet wave here. Northwest Airlines 747-400. Getting heavily loaded up here, and you know what? It's heading over to Honolulu today. It's going to Honolulu. So loading up there. Lots of very excited passengers here getting on this aircraft. I believe this one is this one's by Wings. Wings 747-400 here. Tiny Tug Designs loading up the aircraft here. Let's get a nice close shot here. Love the detail on this aircraft. I do want to get the Aero Classics and the Phoenix models version as well. Bowling shoe livery is the way to go. Super detailed here, guys. Let's see if we can get another shot from the front here. Alright guys, here's the Northwest 747 here. Loading up for... Here's another angle from the back here, guys. And the side. The next up, we have a Northwest Airlines DC-10-30 resting at the gate here. It's going to be heading out to Amsterdam later today. Not much going on. It's kind of like an isolated gate here, but it will be getting service soon, guys. I'll give you guys some close-ups of this aircraft here. Here's a nice close-up of the DC-10-30 here. This one is actually from Gemini Jets, so really rare purchase I got. Wasn't cheap for this plane. I think I might have paid $80 for it. But definitely worth it, guys, in the long run. The difference between the 30 and the 40, I did some research actually last night. It's just the engine. So the engine on the end here is a little bit wider, and the back part is a little bit more gray. But I guess it's still the same seating apparently, and it's still like the same size. So it's not like your, 757 versus 757-300, or 767 versus 767-400. It's still like... It's still the same seating, apparently. So, fun fact, guys. Let's come back out here. Layout by layover layouts here, guys. Super cool. I do have layover layouts creating pretty much full MSP airport for me, too. We're doing Honolulu and Minneapolis kind of at the same time right now. So we got stuff working in the background here, guys. Super cool. So, hope you guys appreciate this view in this video here. Check it out. Also, sneak peek, guys, we have a LAX video coming soon too, with Terminal 7 and 8 and Terminal 6. So 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, so still kind of setting this up, guys, but it's coming. So got a cool backdrop for you guys too, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. Also, guys, Model Airport Nation here, Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Model Airport Nation. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. Feel free to share this video, guys. Share all the videos. Everything really helps me out if you guys subscribe, so I can continue to give you guys amazing content like this. I will be at Airlines International, just kind of walking around, so I may try to like make a shirt with Model Airport Nation on it or something, so if you guys see me, feel free to say hi. I will be making a video too, just kind of vlogging it. I'm really excited for that too, guys, so stay tuned. Again, happy collecting, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Model Airport Nation to you guys. Stay safe out there.